Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we are returning to our XAMN Pro mini-series and we are on part 3 of the series, and I'm delighted to say that today we are covering my favourite topic in DFIR, and that is validation. Validation is of course important for every investigation, and you need to be able to check that your tool is doing what it claims to do, and you need to understand and potentially present on this data at court. You have to be 100% happy that what your tool is telling you is in fact the correct information. So for example, if we wanted to validate WhatsApp messaging, for example, we needed to validate a date. The date and time is extremely important to our investigation. We've picked WhatsApp from the main case page. We're going to select conversation view, and as always I prefer to look at conversations that have got the highest count. These are likely to be the messages that are going to be of interest to me. So when I click on a conversation, the conversation is going to load in my right hand pane. I like to sort by oldest first, so it represents how it would look on the handset of the user. But if I had this message and I wanted to validate the date and time, or the fact that it was read, any of this information I want to validate and make sure is correct. We open the pivot menu. Remember, right click opens the pivot menu. We can of course go straight to the database and validate it, but there is easier and more effective way. If we click to examine in source mode, this is going to show you the hex of what we have parsed and converted. But what we also do is show you the table that it comes from, along with the column and the row. And this is obviously from messagestore.db. And if we click the hyperlink, remember anything in XAMN in blue is a hyperlink, click show, it's going to take you directly to where that field is. And then when we do a date conversion, you can see that the date and time is correct for when the message was sent. We hope that you can see the power of using validation, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.